Hello and welcome to WildlifeBox. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Will. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a compost bin out of old pallets. A compost bin is perfect for turning kitchen waste into compost. You'll need a few old pallets for this. You can pick some up quite easily from FreeCycle and various other places as well. So here's the video. Hope you enjoy it. So to start with, you'll need some pallets, a saw, a hacksaw, a drill, some screws, and you might also need a screwdriver as well. So get your first pallet and using your hacksaw, cut off the back of the pallet. You have to use a bit of force to get through the nails that are attaching it all together. Then it should all lift off. Once you've taken all the back pieces off, you'll be left with one of the panels. Do the same thing for the second pallet. And then lift both pieces onto a workbench, securing them in place. Draw a line down the center of the panels. And then with a handsaw, saw down that line. You'll end up with 4 panels, which will form the sides of the compost bin. You'll then need to use the hacksaw to take off one of the planks on the panel. This will form the hole at the bottom where you can get the compost out. Put all 4 pieces together. And then using your drill about 3 pilot holes. And then use a countersink to create spaces for the screws. Get your screws and with the drill, secure the panels together. You may need to use a screwdriver to tighten it up. Do the same for the other edges of the panels, securing them in place. Don't forget to subscribe to WildlifeBox for regular updates. Your compost bin should now be secure and you can move it into position. Then you can fill up your compost bin and enjoy some good compost. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. There's lots of different things you can do with old pallets. You can make garden vegetable planters like these ones here. With a bit of imagination, there's so much you can do. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. Please do subscribe for more WildlifeBox updates. And I will see you again soon. You take care now. Bye bye.